I've got an amazing turkey chili that I think you'll love. We've got a ton of ingredients today for this chili, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put a little extra virgin olive oil into a pot, let it heat up a bit, and then you're gonna add in 1 large onion and 3 stalks of celery. So I want these to go in with the onions just so they can begin softening up. And try not to lose half of it to the floor. Give it about 5 minutes and then we'll move on to the next part. All right, so this has been going for a couple of minutes. So now I'm gonna add in about 450 grams of minced turkey. All right, so when the turkey is ready, I'll come back. Next, I'm gonna add in my black garlic. I'm bougie like that. It's got a bit of a sweeter taste than regular garlic, so I kind of like it. I don't know, about 1.5 teaspoons. And then we're gonna add in the rest. The spices, the parsley, the thyme, the oregano, the salt, and the white pepper. Oh, smells so good. A can of crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna add in about a can of water. And I'm gonna add in my red kidney beans, my white kidney beans, the black beans, the corn, the frozen peas, or regular peas, whatever you've got lying around, and some mushrooms, 3 small potatoes, and you're just gonna stir this up. Oh yeah, don't forget to taste it before you let it simmer for 4 to 6 hours. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to go. Okay. Whew. Kitchen smells amazing. If you want the recipe for today's video or any other recipe from the channel, don't forget to check out the website and I'll leave a link in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new awesome videos just like this one.